ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hotri unai lur 8000 ar pusau
Ka Integrated Child Development Service Amlarem ringkat ka jinga trailang berketenat ka koi ka kya berketenat puli puthi ka lai photrek unai lor ajar phosau klepen kutno ek program Poshan ma ka bashibnai lenter ha ka jinga lang ka blalong hasim jingsuk hall Amlarem ha ga digasni la sa khilang du Dr. A Sani ublalong kumukong san ringkat ka jinga lang jong ka Assistant Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ka kong ar pasa ka blalong kum ka sembut kong san Block Development Officer jang Amlarem CNRD block uba GLC Milim ki we hnong ki officer niknat rekam pher bat ki we hagani gesngi kongsan ula plai baru ik menu jang ka Icds bo ula samru yaki kusnam shiginong job hagi ko pher balapin ko buramru iki village organization jang than Amlarem ki bla jingir shan ne ka bentaban perlong ya ka Poshan ma ka job
to be very important and vital in ensuring a very good health, growth and nutrition for the children of Meghalaya. Especially I have seen that the meals that are already given, as I was discussing with the CDPO, they are not really tasty and are not liked by the children or the beneficiaries. So it is very important, as our Principal Secretary Sir has also decided to do some local level inclusion of locally made meals which are not just nutritious but delicious also. So that will go a long way in ensuring nutritional security for the children and including diets which are rich in iron, protein and they are locally available, so much easier to procure and reduction in the transport cost also. So I am hoping that this menu has been curated, we will be able to include some of the items in the diet of the Anganwadis. And already as a result of this Poshan Ma, we have seen the result that we have been able to improve the health of certain children. I would like to commend even the medical officers also who have been coordinating with the Anganwadis and with the CDPO as well as the block team with the sector meetings where they have identified these and SAM children or women who are in need of looking after the care for the anemia, because we do have a very high rate of anemia, especially among the pregnant and lactating mothers. So with this concerted effort and this intersectoral efforts from the various departments, I am sure that in future in Amlarem we will be able to ensure the anemia Mukt Bharat also, starting with Amlarem. We will achieve very good results. So again, I would like to thank CDPO and the Icds project Amlarem team for calling me today. It was a really good experience for me to see all the activities they have done, and I hope the momentum is continued in the future and doesn't just stop with the Poshan Ma. And again, to all the Anganwadi workers and supervisors who are present, it is because of you that we are able to achieve the ground level results. Please keep the momentum going. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much.
We call it as a nutrition month. We have a lot of activities under the theme of anemia prevention, growth monitoring, effective service delivery through good governance and technology, Poshan Bhi Parai Bhi, and also this supplementary nutrition.
Focus ini yakni the 7th Rashtriya Poshan Month. So we go put the empowerment of women through nutrition. Empowerment of women through nutrition. Imut bagate, the sarkar the changga. Kat orang ya kubur ya kan manbe. Ngasrai tin jo siapa pi kamtam kisah group. No? Empowerment of women. Tahu? Kena kita empowerment of women. Man kau kita kau emtam hai yang thui. And untuk the nutrition month, the club nak ikan empowerment of women through nutrition. Nak siap thui, wala dekaman bay. Memang kau cek kukiak. Memang kau biar itu pam itu betai kemet. Mie kau tukar cekrang. Mie kau pendet itu kamram kau berok. Naduk nayuk, haduk halai. Tak hit. Ni pak ada yang kita sebab kau le. Lada memang kemet kepat kau cek kukiak. Imie udah iya le. Kamu kibam le kiwa tei ke met ngat kelam pun dia hi tok kabam umar ma stong tu de kelam de tai neu hi pha kabam kwa focus kacak ke lusnem Rashtriya Poshan Ma the focus bahako kawi tok haka kawi tok anemia prevention ngayu de bon hai program balik ni hay tok waka anemia prevention nde te em kan hai sak ko iwa ka anemia man kawi ka life threatening ka ye u penduk ya kite kimesil yu em kan ha le tok ki manbe ki khana le tok ki khrak kelut te Equal only piwa. Good food is never expensive. Kabam ko bam not masat. Both same ijo lai is a feel. Jo only yeki bro bam hagi. Ma mana only bam ha. Mem what to bam play bam ha bam dog bam cat if you makasni. No. But haptiki muki take good food. Kiwa biang ni take nutritive values. Well kanai pi ko em chenong kendong kan pi biang ha pi take jingthong jikta. If chances of nyo iki nutritional food, no? Lari yo ila ti ni yao tip de iboy ki wada dai ki wada klet dawai, no? The pi wada empower ki wada mi utung. Siapa bang and good food is again wong biang pi utak was at it is not expensive. Was at pakan daga tinggal di bam ni di junk food se. Was at pakan go di bam ke restoran. Tak he. Ketu was at na cek pi hayung ki jhur tu yo pi nakper. Kat man ka potai ka me hejo ipor me man ka kwa saado ma there ko ano ko point ko kwa o mention ni wo ongi effective service delivery through good governance ma effective service delivery ma dajin e service yang chaki chnong ni thao through good governance mana ongi good governance ma kajing penlai iki scheme kajing penwan iki scheme mana kelam biang ye ke governance lene ye ke government untuk ongi wa kita ko chok national lene kita ko chok chuki no woro we are a part of the government woro menta have the government untuk ongi ke sarkar itik tin ju use bahai no to he ke sarkar mem pakhat ke sarkar yo ben ke sarkar mem kutulok ke to he but finally pi dah kata sarkar tak ngau pi no ladi ke service ko biang lada crash ke ide mesin ko khoi ke sarkar dah yo higa ye ko chipot tangwa da ko ye ke te por ko sarkar dah yo ga ye te jingle stom yang pi